welcome to Calm Creations Craft Flosstube. My name is Tia and today we are doing our Work It 23 and 23 update. So last week I drew number 21, which was sew a bag, pencil case or pouch. So I have done that and I made a little slow stitch pencil case. So I've done it in all blues and whites with a little bit of maroon. So on this I did some bullion stitches, first time I've ever done those, bullion knots, and it's got some fly stitch, French knots, some pistol stitch, and yeah, so I'm probably going to keep my crochet hooks in here. It's all fully lined, but I enjoyed making that, and I did that with the slow stitching movement. It's about being in the moment. So I did this for me and took some time out and didn't film any of it. It was just about the stitching, so I really enjoyed doing that. So that's my little pencil case, so I can tick that off my list. But today we are going to draw another number for this week. So let's pull out those. Got my little bowl. I'm going to pull one out. There we go. What have we got today? Let's see. We have got number 22. Number 22, and number 22 on the list is free choice. So there's the list, which is free choice right down the bottom there. So what am I going to work on? This week I think it's going to be a surprise. I don't know what I'm going to work on this week. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again next week with an update on what I worked on this week. Thank you. Bye.